So let's just talk about the lowest common ancestor of binary tree. So the LCA of two node is the lowest or the deepest node that has both the nodes as descendant. So like an example, for the node 2 and 3, the lowest common ancestor will be 1 because that is the common parent and also that is the lowest. Similarly, for the node 4 and 6, the common parent can be 2 or 1, but because you are talking about lowest, so that means 2 will be the lowest common ancestor for the node 4 and 6. So here is the function to find the lowest common ancestor. So the function takes the root of the tree, then it takes two nodes P and Q as parameter. So we're looking for the lowest common ancestor for the node P and Q. So first of all, we're gonna check if the root is null or the root is P or the root is Q. In all of the cases, we're gonna return root because that will be the lowest common ancestor. So otherwise, we're gonna recursively look into our left subtree and then we're gonna look into our right subtree. Now after that, if we found that both the left and right subtree, both of them are not null, that means the current node will be the lowest common ancestor. So in that case, we're gonna return root. Otherwise, we're gonna return the non-null result. So that means if left is not null, then we're gonna return left. Otherwise, we're gonna return right. So like an example, here we have the function to find the lowest common ancestor. So let's now try to find the lowest common ancestor for this binary tree. So here we have created the tree. So we are trying to find the lowest common ancestor for the node 4 and 6. So we're gonna call the function and we're gonna pass root P and Q. And then we can print the lowest common ancestor. And here we have the LCA as 2. So that means the lowest common ancestor for the node 4 and 6 will be 2, and which is correct. So this way we can find the lowest common ancestor of two nodes in a binary tree. So hope you understand. See you in the next one. Take care.